guys, One Tap here. Today we are going to be talking about Subway Surfers. Alright, this is going to be interesting, amazing content. I'll watch the end to find out the whole story on why I'm literally talking about Subway Surfers in a YouTube video. That is Minecraft related. Alright, let's get into it. Sky Wars kits. Yippee. Balance. Yippee! Alright, so I'm talking about Subway Surfers in a YouTube video. In a Minecraft YouTube video. Alright, so let me start off the story. I go to school. Wow. Yes, I go to school. That's impressive. So at school, I take the bus home. And the bus ride can be very boring sometimes. So I use my limited resources that I have to make fun out of it. Why did I just get so stacked so quickly? You know what? I don't really mind. I'm happy with this getting stacked. So basically, yeah. What was I gonna say? Yeah. So Subway Surfers. You see, I play this bootleg Subway Surfers. The bus ride can be very boring sometimes, so I just play on my school Chromebook because my school has those and I don't really have anything else to play on. So I'm trying to find some good games to play, and I find a very fun game. Subway Runners, not Subway Surfers, Subway Runners. Let's go, dude. Bootleg Subway Surfers, my favorite. Alright, so basically, in Subway Runners is the exact same thing as Subway Surfers. I don't really see the difference whatsoever. But let me kill this kid. Basically, I'm just chilling on the bus, playing Subway Surfers. It's kind of interesting because the aisle, when people walk down it, people are just looking at some kid playing Subway Surfers on his school Chromebook. It's a little bit interesting, just a tad bit. But, people are, so confused what I'm doing. And, alright, here's the thing. Subway Surfers is so underrated, bro. That game is actually really fun. I am a Subway Surfers fan. Oh yay, pearls landed. So in Subway Surfers, if you don't know how to play, Google it, alright? But it's very fun. It's you jump over trains and stuff. Subways, yeah. Whatever it's called. And then you gotta progress. The farther you go, the faster it gets. So today in Subway Surfers, I've learned how to jump infinitely. What? Alright, well, yeah, I learned how to jump infinitely, and to me, that's pretty cool. And this game's really fun, by the way. I'm just grinding this on the bus ride home. It's my bus ride takes 30 minutes because the bus driver goes all different paths. So it's kind of interesting, but everybody's just questioning reality when they see somebody playing Subway Surfers on a school Chromebook. And yes, it's so much fun, dude. I grind that game, bro. It is actually so much fun. I don't know why I do, but like, play Subway Surfers, guys. It is fun, alright? Trust me. If you don't, that's just kind of sad because you ignored me. Anyways, Subway Surfers is fun. It's a great game. I just enjoy it, and people can go up to me and question what I'm doing and all those life choices that I make, but they can't tell me Subway Surfers is not fun, bro. So I'm just chilling on the bus, playing some Subway Surfers like a good kid should. All right, this is what people are supposed to do. All right. Human society is built on Subway Surfers, alright? You don't understand. That's a lie. Uh, don't get me sued for saying that, please. And basically, yeah, Subway Surfers is really fun. And I don't know why I'm making a commentary video about this. I just am, alright, bro. Calm down, it's fine. It's just Subway Surfers. Yep. Oh, I just got... Oh, I'm so good at this game. Alright, well... It's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna try and get a kill right here. I'm gonna, like, block trap him. That works so well. Oh my god. Yeah. Well, if you enjoyed talking about Subway Surfers, yeah, please subscribe. It would help. I'm gonna kill this kid now. Why does he have an emo? Why? Why would anybody need this much power? I am going to have to kill you for that, sir. Or you can just have that kid kill you, I guess. Hi! Die now! Get back here, bro. Why? Okay, well, that was fun. If you enjoyed the video, Subway Surfers is fun. Yeah, alright, goodbye.